Howdy partners, this is Kiram with Clear Imaging, and this video is part of our Marketing How-To series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook page for your business. So open up your internet browser, open a tab, go to facebook.com/pages/creation, and they've changed how they do things, they've updated it. So let's start filling it in. I put this together already. It helps if you have all your information all in one place like this. That way you can just copy and paste back and forth. So we need a company name, right there, piece of cake. Next we need a category, so a landscaping company. Next we need description. Just take this, and this isn't a real company by the way, and click create page. This will be the first step. So Facebook is going to put it together now, and then when that's finished, here we go, it's been created. We can now add images. So we'll click save, and we're going to add a logo here and then a cover photo. So we'll click on the little camera, edit profile picture, upload a photo. We got a logo right there. Looks good to me. Click save. And bam, we've got that now. How about a cover photo? Let's do one of those. So we're going to upload cover photo right here. And then we can adjust it by dragging it around. I'll click save. Pretty simple. And notice this right here, create username. So right now, if I want to give someone my page, I have to give them this whole thing up here, including all these numbers. If you create a username, you can make it shorter. So it'll be facebook.com/make-like-a-tree landscapers, for instance, right? And that'd be your username. So I definitely recommend go ahead and do that. So then that's one more thing you can do. So it says we're missing some details. There's more info you can provide, like your website address, etc. You can put a phone number right here. We'll put my business doesn't have one. Keep going. Website, www.makelikeatreelandscaping.com. Email, put your email in there. Put your hours. And that's kind of some of the initial information to get going. And this is now just showed me here in this one main page all of that information that I can now fill in if I went ahead and got it. So if I want to put in my address, right, if I want to put in my email, want to put in my phone number, I can then go ahead here on the edit page info page, edit page info general. I can just start filling this out with all that information. And I do recommend that you do that because that'll make you look more legitimate. Put your service area in there, put your hours, privacy policy, any of this, and then you're just good to go. So that's basically it. As you saw, it only takes a few moments. So just some closing thoughts on this. As you just saw, literally it took, 2 minutes to create this, and it now gives us an opportunity to get more exposure to your company, and you can get Facebook reviews. You can also get this more simplified version of Facebook ads, which is available if you have a Facebook business page. It's a lot easier to use. Here it is right here, Ad Center. It's kind of a slimmed down version of the main Facebook Ads Manager. I really recommend it. So in conclusion here, if you need any help with your website, we'd love to help you out. Come on down to clearimaging.com. We've been helping small businesses get their websites moving up in Google since 2004. We design really fresh websites. We always answer emails. We get the job done. So that's why we've been around for so long. So come on over to the contact page and let us know if there's anything we can do for you. Until then, thank you very much and take care.